A recording existed, and then it didn't. At first, there was nothing unusual about the entry. It appeared in an evidence log, listed among dozens of other items. An audio recording. It had a reference number, a date, a timestamp. According to the record, the file had already been reviewed. Its duration was noted, its format identified. The device it originated from was specified. Nothing in the log suggested urgency. Nothing suggested concern. At that point, the recording existed. Sometime later, the same recording was requested again. Not to re-examine its contents, but to verify a detail. The request followed procedure. It was logged, approved. When the file was accessed, it wasn't there. Not delayed, not loading, not unreadable. Gone. There was no error message, no alert, no indication of corruption. The system showed no overwrite, no duplication, and no deletion record. What remained was the reference. The index still listed the file. The evidence inventory still counted it. The log entry had not changed. Only the recording itself was missing. At first, the absence was treated as a technical issue. Systems fail. Files misroute. Backups take time to sync. But checks found nothing. No archived copy. No temporary cache. No secondary storage reference. The trail ended exactly where the file should have been. Earlier documentation still mentioned the recording. Summaries referenced audio evidence. Review notes alluded to content without describing it. Later documents did not. The word audio no longer appeared. No amendment was logged. No explanation added. The change was quiet. Those working the file were left with questions they could not formally answer. What had been heard? What had been recorded? The documents did not say. They only confirmed that something once existed. In later reviews, the case continued without the recording. Timelines remained intact. Decisions remained unchanged. On paper, nothing appeared to be missing. But evidence logs are designed to preserve continuity. When an item disappears, without documentation, it leaves a structural gap, not visible in conclusions, not reflected in outcomes, only present in what can no longer be reviewed. No official statement addressed the absence. No report clarified the discrepancy. The file reference remains. The space remains empty. And in the archive, where the recording should be, there is only a gap. What could be missing?